Conas Tatu, how are you, Mary Ellen Shaw? So I'm on the Dara Law Déag, the 12th day of meditating. I haven't been posting every day because we've discovered that I am gohíntaach ad Jane of Macnamh. I'm great at meditating. I'm ceart galore ag Jane of the reels, doing the reels. I'm not too bad at doing the reels, but tá mé go fásach. I am terrible at posting them time. And I am up a tree. I'm home in Westmeath and I'm going to do a meditation. This is my lightning tree. I've been up here meditating before. It is so beautiful up here. So beaky long. So this is one of my favourite places to meditate. Here it actually is a tree that was struck by lightning, but now there's a great seat for meditating. So beaky lum. And there's constantly birds coming to sit on all the little branches and say hello, which is so beautiful. But I always say that's why I'm going to close my eyes and go inward. It's the same mantra, as I call it. As always, it's Amtan Tren. I am the wave on the land, because when we all meditate together, there is that energy together and the impact that we can make to send out the Fuinneamh, the energy of Shia Khan. Gramor.